So hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my first mathematics lesson. So hope you guys you're ready with your pens and your books so that you can start off the lesson. And you're going to do a very interesting topic, which is the BODMAS. Yes, so we'll start off and I hope that you'll grasp something by the end of this lesson. So for instance, you've been told to work out the following sum. You have 2 times 3 into brackets 3 plus 5 into brackets divide by 2. So this is what you do. You write the word BODMAS, B-O-D-M-A-S. B stands for brackets, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. So that makes it brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So when you see such a sum, this is what you do. You just write the term BODMAS besides it. You just write BODMAS. Then you come to your question. Check whether there is brackets. Is there any bracket? Yes. So you come and cancel it out. Then you calculate the part that you have the brackets. So in the brackets you have 3 plus 5, which makes it 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So your sum will now read 2 times 3, opening bracket 8, closing bracket, divide by 2. Then you go to the next thing. Is there any off in your question? No, so you cancel it out. Is there any division in your sum? Yes, so you cancel it out. Then come check where the division sign is. It's here. So it is 2 times 3 into brackets 8 divide by 2. So you calculate the bracket first, you complete it, which is 3 times 8, which gives you 24. You get 24. Then you do the division sign, which is this. You come and put a bracket in it so that you don't get confused. So that will make it 2 times 24 divided by 2. What is 24 divided by 2? It's 12. So it will be 2 times 12. Then is there any multiplication sign? Yes. So you go to the multiplication sign, which is here. So it is 2 times 12 to give you 24. Is there any additional sign? No. Or subtraction? No. Then so you conclude that your answer is 24. So in the second example, you have such a question. So this is what you do. You have 16 of 2 plus 8 divided by 4. So you just come write BODMAS. Then in mathematics, all you need to do is make sure that your work is organized from the first step to the last step. That's all you require. So in such a case, you check whether there are any brackets. We don't have any brackets, so you cancel it out. Then you go, do you have any off sign? Yes, you do have one, which is for the first thing, which is 16 of 2. You add your own bracket so that you can calculate it. So that will be 16 of 2 will give you 32. Then plus 8, then divide by 4. So the next thing is that you check whether there is any division sign. Yes, we have a division sign here where there is 8 divided by 4. So you put the bracket sign in where the division sign is. That will give you 32 plus 8 divided by 4 gives you 2. So 32 plus 2. Then 32 plus 2 will be 34. And let me emphasize on the addition part. When you're adding 32 plus 2, check on the place value. The ones should be aligned on one side and the tens should be aligned on one side. So this makes it the 2 is 1, so it will come on this side. That will give you 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 0 is 3, to give you 34 as the answer. We have the next example. 3 of into bracket 6 minus 2 times 5. So you write BODMAS again, BODMAS. You check whether there is any bracket. Yes, we have a bracket sign here, so that you'll calculate it. 6 minus 2 will give you 4. So you continue with you form your own question next, which will be 3 of 4 times 5. Do you have any off sign? Yes, we have an off sign here. So you form your own bracket and form another question below it. And note that the off sign means multiplication. This is a times. Off is a times. So this will be 3 of 4 is 12, then times 5. Note that you just consider the place value, which is 12 times 5. Just consider the place value. This will give you 5 times 2 is 10. You write a 0, then you carry 1. Then 5 times 1 is 5, then a plus 1 to give you 60. So you get your answer as 60. So guys, considering the sums that you have calculated, I bet that you have noted that anytime you are calculating a sum that requires you to use BODMAS, you must create your own question when you are calculating the next step. You first find out the question entails which signs, whether there is a bracket of multiplication, division sign, addition, subtraction, as brackets of division, multiplication, and division. So once you've noted that, you check out on the question, then you start from the first bit. You first start with the first sign. Once you've calculated that first sign, when you're going to the next step, you must create your own question. Then from there, you build another question until you get the final answer. That's all you need to do. So guys, we've come to the end of a very interesting lesson. Then I believe that in my next video, I'm going to do another topic. Yes, and I hope that you have enjoyed my lesson. So guys, just subscribe, you like, comment, and you share, and ask me any questions that you may be having. Yes, I think I'm done. Thank you.